Dobri den. Moje meno je Jelačič, a som profesor na katedri pre výrobný manažment Lesnické fakulte Univerzite v Zagrebe. Rozumiem slovensky a môžem sa porozprávať po slovensky, ale téma tego seminára je kvalita a chcel by som, aby me rozumieli, čo chcem povedať a aby ja presne povedal to, čo chcem, tak ten video budem urobiť na anglicky. So, I'm dealing with management, different aspects of management, human resource management, production management, quality management, project management as well. So when I was teaching our students about quality and quality management, my first idea was to prepare them for quality in a production process. That's why the statement made by John Ford II that quality is job number one and that it is the best way to assure customers or buyers loyalty and the best defense from competition, meaning the only way for our production to grow and to profit. That was the main idea that was leading me all the way through the subject. Since I'm dealing with the production management as well, I'm dealing with operations management, and there are different trends in operations management which influence our everyday living within the production process and our common lives. So there are globalizations, new technologies, productivity, flexibility, more services, environmental issues and so on. But two of the most important ones are quality and time. So I was dealing with both of them. And when talking about trends of quality as a way of living and way of thinking within the production process, the first idea was from our fathers of quality, from Mr. Juran, which says that quality of product is its utility in use, meaning that what the product does when you use it in everyday living makes him quality or less quality. Some of the new authors and the new authorities in quality, one of them is, for example, Stevenson says that quality is ability of a product or a service to permanently satisfy or overcome the customer's expectations. Also, American Society for Quality Control says that quality is a total of product or service characteristics which bring the possibility of satisfying one's needs. Those are the trends. Practically, when we talk about trends in quality, the same thing happened with the trends of production management and project management. Development was in different stages going through history. So the first stage was technical characteristics of a product, meaning technical quality, which says that product has to meet the standards that were given by some authorities. In 80s and 90s, the quality control was put an emphasis on the process. So meaning that ability of a process to create high quality products was in focus. So we had to deal with the process as long as the quality, technical characteristics and technical quality of the product. Late 90s and beginning of 21st century was dealing mainly on quality assurance, meaning that along with the quality of product and quality of production process, we had to deal with the quality of business, which covers practically all the aspects of our production and afterwards the use of our products. So practically when we talk about quality and quality management and how does it influence on our professional or personal life, practically quality is everywhere. But that combination between theory of quality and praxis and everyday living practically develop the quality and quality management in, I would say, in some kind of circle. Because at the beginning we were dealing with quality control and just the product itself, just technical characteristics of a product. Then we were dealing with the process, trying to create a process that will assure us that we will have a quality product at the end. Nowadays we are dealing with business as well, so along to new trends in Industry 4.0 and new trends in production management, in project management and so on, we have to think about going back a step or two, but in a complex way, not just simply go back to product. For instance, when you were buying furniture, some 20-30 years ago, when you were buying furniture, you go to the shop, what was there displayed, you said, I want that one, you bought that one, and you brought it home. Then afterwards, in some 5, 10, 12 years ago, we started to think about services around that product. So when you're bringing home that piece of furniture, that cupboard or that kitchen, you wanted the producer to provide a service, to assemble it, to maintain it. Nowadays, customers is involved. For example, in production management, there is a production system and business system called COMS, Customer-Oriented Manufacturing Management System, which is totally and absolutely oriented to customers' needs. So each single customer or each single buyer says what kind of product they want, what kind of front, what kind of glass, what kind of color. So practically each product is made individually. So in a production process, we came from individual products dealing exactly and focus exactly on the product. Then we're dealing with the process to get more products of the same kind, meaning small series, big series, mass production. And after dealing with process, after dealing with the whole system around the production process, now we have to go back to individual product, because we now want every single individual, every single customer or buyer to get what exactly they need. So I think that the future of quality management should take a step back or go further in a circle to deal with individual needs of each single customer, so that quality, not just the quality of a product, not just the quality of a comfort, but the quality of life, quality of living, and all the aspects, environmental issues, comfort in a home, comfort of chair, of every other piece of furniture or every other piece of product in use, to practically deal with all possible characteristics and all the possible aspects of that individual product for individual customer and individual person who will use it afterwards. Of course, with dealing with services who will provide the prolongation or services for that product in use. I think that this is a video just for starters, for you to think about, and I wish you a lot of success during your seminar. Thank you very much.